Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Ashwini and today we are going to see a project called Coconut Inventory Processing System using PHP and MySQL. So here is one of the platform where you can maintain the buyer products. Let us see the demo now. Before seeing the demo, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. Customization of the project is done by our team Parthenium Projects. The contact details are given in the description box. Now let us see the demo. This is the admin login page. I'll give login ID and password. Click on login. Here you can see the admin page. So in admin panel you can see date, coconut available in stock, employees, number of customer, number of sellers, number of products, number of coconut types, number of sellers, number of sales, number of purchase, total number of sales amount, total purchased amount, total expense amount. You can see it over here. If you want to reset the user password, you can reset over here. So here is a platform where you can purchase a coconut, maintain those coconuts in a particular platform. So let us see the options one by one. First we are going for add. Under add you have many options over here. First one is purchase. Under purchase you have different options here. First, seller details you are going to select. Select any of the seller, give the date and time. I'll select today's date. Coconut type, you have three different coconut type. I'll select one. Select the price. Once when you select the type of the coconut, the price will be automatically added. So now you need to add the quantity in kgs. Next, dealer price, you need to enter the total price will be calculated here, then you are going to add. So this particular coconut type, price, quantity, dealer and total amount, we are going to see it over here. This is about purchasing the coconuts with this particular dealer. So if you select the next any of the dealer, you need to select the price, select the coconut type, quantity 100 kgs, dealer price, then total amount, click on add. The record will be added over here. So this is how you are going to purchase a coconut. Next, you have sales. So in sales you are going to give the customer detail for whom you are going to sell. The date. Here select the product name. Here you have oil A1 5 liters. So available stock 50. Product price is 100. Tax is 10%. Quantity. So available quantity is 50 liters. So you are going to enter the quantity. Then total tax will be calculated. Discount, if you give 5% of discount, that will be calculated and total amount is generated here. Click on add. So here you can see the record that is added by you just now. This is about sales. Next one is production. Under production you can see available coconut stock is, so coconut used for production in kgs. For this particular production, how much coconut you are going to use? Imagine, consider 100 kgs you are going to use. Quantity in numbers. Coconut used for products in numbers. You are going to enter 10. Wastage in number you are going to give 9 wastages. Dry pieces in numbers. So dry pieces might be 4. Broken pieces in kgs. I'll give 1 kg. Net process in kg. So I'll give 10. So date you are going to give. Then click on product name, quantity, then click on add. For this particular product, you are going to add up the details over here. Now generate report. So stock is inserted successfully. So now you can see the product report. If you want to print the details, you are going to print it. Next one is seller. Here you are going to give the seller name, address, phone number, mobile number, email ID, select active, click on submit. That particular seller will be added into your database. Next one is customer. You are going to add a customer here. So give the customer name, give the company name, give the customer name, address, phone number, mobile number, email ID, and select the status as active. Click on submit. That particular customer will be added. Next one is products. Here you are going to add the product. So you need to enter the detail about the product, name of the product, code of the product. That particular product, you have each and every product has a code. That particular code will be added here. Upload the image, click on the price, give the price of the product, click on the tax in percentage, quantity, type. Next, give the description, click on the status as active, click on submit. That particular product will be added. Next one is coconut type. If you want to add a coconut type, you are going to give the type, what type of coconut is. You are going to give that particular name, price of the coconut you are going to give. If you have any description, give the description. If you have the image, upload it. Click the status as active, click on submit. That particular coconut type will be added to your database. So this is about adding. So here you saw the adding the purchases, adding the sales, adding products, adding sellers, adding customer, adding products, adding coconut type you have seen over here. Next one is view. Here you are going to view all the things that you have added. So first one is purchase. Here you are going to view all the purchase detail. Here you are going to see the bill number, date, seller name, quantity, dealer price, total. Lastly you have action. If you want to generate a report, monthly report, yearly report, you can generate it. Since none of the details is added, so it is showing empty. Next one is sales. So here this is the, you can view none of the sales is added. So here it is showing empty. Heading is bill number, customer, date, total, tax, discount, grand total you can see. Lastly you have action option, edit or delete option there. Next one is products. Here you can view all the products. Next one is productions. Here you can view all the production detail. So this is the production detail I have added just now. You can see the details about the production. Next one is stock. You can see the stocks available. So this is the product name, product code, price, tax, package, status you can see, available stocks you can see. Next one is seller. Under seller you have seller name, address, phone number, mobile number, email ID, status you have, and you have edit or delete option here. You can view all the seller details over here. Next one is customer. Under customer you have all the customer detail. You have customer name, company name, customer name, address, phone number, mobile number, email ID, status, and lastly you have action. Next one is products. Here you can view the products. You can see the product name, product code, product image, price, tax, quantity, description, status you can see. Lastly, coconut type. Here you have 3 coconut type, each coconut price, description about the coconut, image of the coconut, status you can see, and you have edit and delete option. Next you have admin. Under admin you can add employee, add expense, add salary, view employee, view expense, view salary you have. First one is add employee. Under add employee you are going to add up the employee with name, gender, type as employee, user ID, password, re-enter the password, then give designation as manager, salary, monthly wise, basic salary, I'll enter 10,000. Address Bangalore. Phone number I have given. Then I have given status as active. Click on submit. Once when you press submit, employee is added successfully. So next is adding expenses. Whatever the expense you are doing, that can be added. We are going to give detail about for what you are using the money. Expense detail, I'll give coconuts, amount spent 10,000, bill number, choose file if there is any file, then date, I'll give yesterday's date, note, I'll enter some note, add, paid, click on submit. Once when it is submitted, the expense record is added. Next one is add salary. So here you can add salary for the employee. First select the employee name, any employee name, basic salary, it is already taken. I'll give June has the salary. Number of working days, I'll give 28 days. Number of work days, 27 I'll give. Dedication 1, bonus 1000, overtime salary I'll give 1000, grand total is 11,999. So date, I'll give today's date, select as paid, or if you want to keep it as pending, you can keep it as pending. I'll give paid and click on submit. The salary record is inserted successfully. Next one is viewing the employee. Here you can view all the employees. Here you can see the salary slip over here. If you want to print the salary slip, you can print the salary script. Next one is viewing the employee. Here you can view all the employee details with employee name, employee gender, employee type, employee login ID, password. Here you have designation, email ID, salary paid, monthly, daily, yearly, you can see it over here. Salary you can see, address, contact detail, and you can lastly you can see the status. You have edit and delete option over here. This is about viewing the employee. Next one is viewing the expense. Here you can view the expense, daily expenses or monthly expenses. You can see it over here. You can see the expense detail, expense amount, bill number, image, date, note, status, and edit and delete option. You can see it over here. Next one is viewing salary. Here you can view the salary. So first select the month, monthly report. Next I'll search the year and date. So last month I will see. I will click on here an employee name, salary type, salary month, number of working days, number of work days, salary, duration, bonus, overtime salary, total, date, status has paid. If you want to view the slip, you can click on view slip. If you want to edit it, you can edit it. If you want to delete it, you can delete here. If you want to select yearly, it will sort yearly wise payment of the salary. Next one is report. Here in report you can see daily report, monthly report and yearly report. Daily report you can view the which date report you want. You can generate it. Since I have given date as 1st July 2020. Here you have number of purchase is 0, number of sales is 0, coconut purchased in kg is 0, coconut used for products is 0, coconut available in stock you can see, product quality added to the stock you can see none, quality of stock produced is none. Here you can see the available stock, you can see it over here. You can see the sales amount, purchased amount, expense amount, paid salary amount, pending expense amount, paid salary amount you can see here. Here overall grand total you can see, open balance you can see, total profit you can see. Here you can see profit in words, company status, whether it is loss or in profit you can see. If you want to print, you can print it. So next you can view monthly, same report it will generate for month. Click on submit. You will get the details for monthly. Next you are going to see yearly. So which year you want to see, that particular year you will see. I will give from date and to date. Here you can see the details about the yearly wise. So this is about the report. So these are the different options given for admin. I'll log out. This is the home page you can see. Next we are going to see login of a employee. So I'll go to account, I'll give the employee ID, I'll give the password of the employee and click on login. So here is the page for the customer. Here you can see here is a page for employee. Account panel, welcome Kahan, it is one of the employee in this particular company. Here you can see the date, coconut available, number of employees, number of customers, sales, purchase detail, number of coconut type, number of sales, number of purchase, number of total sales amount, total purchase amount, total expense amount. You have it in the dashboard. Here you have add. Here employee can add a purchase detail. These options I have already explained in admin page. Same thing even here you have. Then you have sales. Next you have production. Next you have customer. If you want to add any of the customer, you can add customer, give the company name, give their details and you can click on submit. Next one, products. You can add any of the products. Then you have coconut type. You can add the coconut type. This is about adding option. Next one is viewing. In view option you have all the options, like you can view purchase, you can view sales, you can view productions, you can view stocks, you can view seller, you can view the customer, you can see the productions, you can view the coconut type. These are the different options given for the employee. So here you saw adding and viewing option given for the employee of this particular company. This is the home page. This is about the company. This is about the products of the company. Here you can see the different products of the company. Contact details are given here. Then you have account. Lastly, logout. This is about the staff page or employee page. So this is about the product. Customization of the project is done by our team Parthenian Projects. The contact details are given in the description box. You can contact us. If you like this video, please hit a like, share it with your friends and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.